In today's video, we're going to be finding the slope from points using a set of coordinates rather than just the graph and looking at the rise over run. So last lesson, we looked at the rise over run of the graph. Now we're going to do this using the numbers and the coordinates. So it says, what is the slope of the line that passes through the points 3, 8, and 8, 13? Answer in simplest form. So I'm going to, first of all, put this into a table, my coordinates into a table, because that helps me see the rise over run. So this shows that this on the right with the y values shows the rise. This shows the run. So 8 over 13, or 8 to 13, goes up 5. 3 to 8 goes up 5. So my slope is 5 over 5, and I simplify that all the way to 1. Okay, let's look at another one. 2, 0, and 1, 0. All right, so this rise, this goes up 0. This goes down 1. So 0 divided by -1 is 0. All right, let's look at another one. I don't want to get to negatives yet. There's too many negatives. Let's look. All right, 8, 7, 4, 5. Here we go. Eight, 7, 4, 5. So this one's going down 2. Careful. And this one's going down 4. So my slope is -2 over -4, which we know a negative divided by a negative is a positive. Let me just double check my points here. Yep, I got the right points. So we know a negative divided by a negative is positive. Now, we also should know that 2 over 4 is 1/2. But if you need to reduce calculators, or reduce fractions, use your calculator. 2 over 4 reduces to 1/2. All right. So it's going to be 1/2. Submit that. Boom. All right, let's look at another one. Maybe this will have negatives. Nope. Let me get one with negatives. There's one with a negative. All right, 3, 2, and -1, 2. Actually, I don't want to do that one. Not yet. Here we go. -9, -8. And -15, -16. Woo, a lot of negatives. Another way you could do this, listen, if you can't figure out in your head what this is, you take this number and subtract this number. So you would do -16. Was it minus -8? Minus -8, which is -8. So this is going down 8. What's this doing? -15 minus -9. Oops, I'm doing this all on the same thing. I don't want to do that. -15 minus -9 is -6. So my slope is -8 over -6, or +8 over +6, right? Clear this fraction. Let's reduce this, which is 4/3. Okay, let's do one more. Yeah, let's do. Nope. Hey, why don't we do this one? Okay. -8(3) and -8(2). What was it? -8(3), -8(2). All right, so this one is going down 1. 3 to 2 goes down 1. -8 to -8 doesn't go over anything. So your slope is -1, 0. But you remember in math, you can't divide by 0. So when you can't divide by 0, then the answer is undefined. So when the change in x is 0, it's always going to be undefined. There we go. Submit it. Bam. Okay. So work through these problems. Again, whenever you divide by 0, it's undefined. The slope is the change in y over the change in x. Or another way to say the rise over run, okay? And if you need to reduce the fractions, need help reducing the fractions, do so on the Desmos calculator here using this button, all right? So work on these problems. If you have questions, let me know. Thank you for watching.